Look at mommy. Look at mommy.
Jacob, say mama.
Mama.
All right, what are you drinking? What's in your cup? Do you know what's in your cup?
Gatorade.
You say Wawa.
Say it.
Say Wawa. Say it loud.
Mama.
Good job.
Say Mimi.
Everybody wave. Say happy 3rd of July.
Yes.
Happy 3rd. Get in here. Get in our picture.
Christopher.
Look that way. Look. Look down there. Look.
Oh, you love your smoke bombs, don't you, Jake?
Oh, it's orange.
Rocky Top, Tennessee, orange. Look at that.
Look at that.
Did any of them speak? There we go.
There we go. Now we're talking.
Now you go.
Hey, Dad, can you like rocket?
No, let's do the rocket last.
Okay, we'll do the rocket.
Christopher, say happy 4th of July.
Happy
3rd of July.
That's right.
Yeah.
What's your favorite part about 3rd of July?
Fireworks.
Fireworks? What do your favorite fireworks do?
Those.
Yeah.
The ones that explode up in the air? What's your favorite color of fireworks? What color is that?
Red.
Red. All right, tell everybody Happy Independence Day.
Happy Independence Day.
Say hi, Daddy. Wave. Wave to the camera. Say hi, Daddy. Sit down, please. Sit down.
Jacob, blow out them fireworks, buddy. Blow them out. Yeah, when you see that kind of firework display, that just reminds England they can suck it.